Hello everyone. Let's go to the garden, guys. It's because according to my husband, Philip, a hardworking husband, he said that there are so many eggplant there. So let's check. I forgot my tripod. So let's go there, guys. Harvesting some eggplant. The sun popped out here, but it's not really hot. Different hot. Oh, he rake it here because Lando he cut this morning. Wow. Oh, so lovely. Oh, I have tomato here. I want him to plant tomato this side. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh wow wow. Lah, look at that lah. Ay, ginoo ko. Dili pa niya nagko nila eh. Tinawa good guys. Hala, ay, ginoo ko. Funny size. Dago. Hawak ki. Dago aki. Hala, grabe. I did not believe to Philip that. Hala, kani oh. Balik naman tayo eh. Hala. Guwang. Guwang naman ko ron eh. Makatawa ko guys. I need to put a stick here so he won't. Bukat mo yan. Sorry. Hala. Bukat mo siya. It's so big. There. Funny. Our eggplant so funny guys. Hala. Ano gawin? Oh God, all no okra. Oh, not good to eat now. Hala, funny. Ang kay okra. So many okra. Libog ko confusing. Our eggplant guys, so healthy. Now good. Kalimutan ko ulit. Ang laman. Wawunod eh. I wanna start now guys. Hala. Dako aman ani. Agwang naman guro ni. Okay now guys. I need to start harvesting the eggplant. I am so impressed. The eggplant. The size so big. They're healthy. Okay. So big. Here guys. So many. So many here really guys. The eggplant, I can't believe the size. Maybe they're close to old, but they're still okay. We should see the plant, the stem, but the leaves so big, and they are not. That's the compost. So healthy, really. Okay. I'm gonna move here because I want to pick up some. Let's check the tomato here. Oh, I think he will be closer to very healthy cauliflower. May kamuti. Tambok yung kamuti, guys. Okay. Buka to ay heavy. Hala. Ano naman siya ko kayo eh. It's so effective, our compost really. As you can see, the vegetables here so healthy. I just love to look at the cauliflower, the leaves, huge. I hope the fruit here is big too. Very big, really. Okay. Even the eggplant. But the tomato here, they're not doing okay. Hi guys, kinsay ganahan who wants some buko? It is so short. Who wants some buko juice? A fresh one. We have so many here. There. Wow. Look at this tomato. He's getting big. He's the only one here. Kalain. Dako kaayo. Maybe I wanna plant some seeds here. Nakuha eh. Okay. Let's pick up some tomato. There. Nice, good size pepper. Good. Oh, nice. I wish this is apple, guys. Just dreaming. Okay. I just put in my jacket. Looks like I'm pretty. Okay, let's set it here. Okay. Gana. Wow. One more. Wow. I have eggplant, I have okra, I have pepper, I have tomato. What else? What else? But it's so nice to pick up some. Might guys might have a nasinan ako ikuan dire. Sweet potato. Maybe not yet. Nice to cut at talbos. Wow. I can't eat this one all, guys. See that? Wow. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Look at this coconut. So many. Want some coconut? Okay. Go back home now. Nice. Bye everyone. It's windy here. It's windy, windy, windy. Thanks for watching, guys.